BHDD Luxury Stainless Steel Apple Watch Bands. Luxury Apple Watch Bands.
Hi, my name is Janil. I'm from Towson University, and this is Butte. I initially bought the Apple Watch for utility, but when I took it out of the box, look at that watch band. Cheap! So I immediately looked on the market for something better, something that was high quality material. I like watches. I like premium materials. I just couldn't find anything on the market that was premium in material. While affordable, it was just filled with these cheap $10 watch bands. I decided to go create my own. Working closely with suppliers, I was able to come up with an initial prototype design. We were able to refine that to something a little bit more premium and better aesthetically pleasing. So these are the 3 colors that we came up with for our final design. Backers will get a special price on the bands. I understand that a lot of people, a lot of college students can't afford watch bands that are on the market for $400, $500. We've priced these at a much more reasonable price for where anyone with the Apple Watch can afford it. Thank you for your time and support. Just remember, be humble, uniform, disciplined, and determined.
Big Bands XL for Apple Watch. Big long bands for large wrists. Brown leather and black nylon extra long Apple Watch bands for large wrists connects to 42 mm. Go measure. Design fits 190 to 250 mm wrists.
Rich and Johnny can't wait to buy Apple Watches to further develop their Kickstarter success. 12-bar chord charts and set lists for iPad. If you saw their video, you know Rich and Johnny are big nerds. And while you were Instagramming your lunch, they were busy eating theirs. Apple bands come in small through large, but when you have wrists the size of Texas, you're gonna need a bigger band. Introducing Big Bands, extra large Apple Watch bands for hipsters with hips. So you've got big wrists. That doesn't mean your wearable accessories have to suck. Big bands are available in black because lime green isn't slimming. We've partnered with a US company to create watch bands larger than others on the market, accommodating wrists up to 250 millimeters in circumference. Your big bands ship for $49 and arrive ready to connect to Apple Watch. We can't wait to tell you more about our Kickstarter stretch marks. Stretch goals. Available in black nylon and brown leather. Big Band isn't diving headfirst into wearables. It's more of a cannonball. Just because your Apple Watch is skinny doesn't mean you have to be. Big Bands, because your smart watch shouldn't make you look fat.
Bracelite, interactive bracelet and watch band for Apple Watch. Bracelite, the first interactive watch band that follows your style. Are you ready for the tech fashion revolution?
Hello everybody and welcome back to The Present. My name is Susanna Del Colle and I am the CEO and co-founder of Texturization, the Italian company that is now launching Bracelite, the first interactive watch band that follows your style. We started our project in January, winning the Ex Machina competition powered by Porsche Italia. We worked hard during these months together with Porsche Consulting and now we are ready to make you all part of our amazing project. Bracelite allows you to express your uniqueness and personality. our textures will never be trivial, since our emerging Italian artists will draw them by hand just for you. In a very easy way, you will be able to express your style wherever you are, however you feel. Imagine, you will have the possibility to have the perfect fashion accessory, matching with what you're wearing in that moment, just taking a picture of the pattern of your jacket, or the bag, or the texture of your shoes. Fast, easy, amazing. And what about your feelings? If you wake up in the morning and you feel happy, Bracelet asks your mood of the day and suggests you the perfect texture. You can change your mind and your style in every moment of your daytime, just syncing Bracelet with your smartphone calendar. If you know that you will hang out with your friends at 7 p.m. for a happy hour, Bracelet will automatically change texture at the exact time. This particular display placed inside Bracelet is always on, but you don't have to recharge it as often as you think, and you can change your texture directly from your smartphone, available both for Android and iOS. Yeah, it's crazy and amazing at the same time, but we have great plans for you. In a few months you will get Bracelet at home, and we are planning to find some new investors to realize Bracelet with a full color display. Bracelet is now reality. Do you want to be part of the tech fashion revolution? Don't miss this opportunity. Bracelet, your style always on.
Click the first watch band adapter for Apple Watch. Personalize your Apple Watch without breaking the bank. Click lets you use any 22mm watch band with Apple Watch.
Hi Kickstarter, I'm Michael Lynch.
And I'm Brandon Hudson, and we're 716, the team behind Click. Click is the first patent-pending watch band adapter for Apple Watch. It opens up your watch to use any standard 22mm watch band. Here at 716, we believe your watch should be more than just a device. It should be a part of you, and with Click, you can let your personality run free without breaking the bank.
With our Kickstarter, we're looking to raise $30,000 to support the manufacturing and delivery of Click. Click will be available in two sizes, 38mm and 42mm, as well as 4 finishes to support the Apple Watch and Apple Watch Sport. There are numerous ways you can support us, which can all be found on our Kickstarter page.
We have numerous distributors around the world who are ready to carry Click. We need your help to make Click a reality for millions of people around the globe.
And you can help us out even more by liking us on Facebook and sharing us with your friends. Thank you so much.
With Click, the most personal device ever made, just got a little more personal.
Cyclip the handlebar adapter for Apple Watch. Cyclip is a way to mount the Apple Watch to your handlebars, ideal for navigation, notifications, and music control on the fly.